Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you Higgsfield, an AI-powered video generation platform and how you can create cinematic AI videos using its built-in tool. I'll walk you through the actual interface, generate a video step by step and show you the final output so you can see how it works in real time. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing AI video platforms built in especially for creators. Inside a single dashboard, you can access multiple AI video generation tools and models designed to make video creation easier, faster, and more cinematic. Instead of manually animating scenes or learning complex editing software, Higgsfield lets you to generate video using images, presets, and simple text prompts. So, let me show you how you can create a video using Higgsfield. So Higgsfield video generation works by animating start frame, which is basically an image. The AI takes the image, adds camera, movement and motion, lighting, cinematic effects automatically. You can control the look of the video using preset and prompts even if you are a beginner. So Higgsfield video generation works by animating a start frame, which is basically an image. Here you can see that start frame option. You can click it and you can select the image. Suppose if your image, you can select it and you can add camera movement, motion, lighting, cinematic effects automatically. So first of all, we have to select an image here. So suppose you don't have an image. If you don't have an image, they have a other option to create an image also. So you can create the image and they have a different types of model to generate the video. You can see that open AI Sora to Google View. Suppose you don't have an image, so that you can go to the image section, create an image. I'm using Nano Banana Pro, and here it will generate an image using your prompt. So and you can generate the image and you can download the image from here, the download button. So after downloading image, I can select the start frame as the image that I have generated, right? And on that image I have to create the video, right? So how we are going to create the video? So I have to write a prompt, so that on that prompt I can generate the video. So here I have written a prompt: animate the start frame into a cinematic AI generated video with a smooth camera, motion, lighting, depth of the field, soft lighting, professional cinematic color grading, ultra detailed environment, realistic motion. So you can write the prompt. Based on your prompt, it will apply on your image, that is start frame, and it will generate the video. And here you can select the model. So I have selected the Kling 2.4 turbo. You can select the other models like Higgsfields provided the different models, right? Like OpenSora 2 and Google View 1, Kling. So many more models are there. And you can select the duration and the resolution. So I have selected 1080 resolution pixel and 5-second duration. And based on our image, it will and prompt, it will generate the video. And here you can see the results after generating the video. So now it has generated the video based on our image. So you can preview the video. You can see that based on our image that we have uploaded. So you can see that it's look very good based on our prompts. So let's generate another video. So for that we need a start frame. So I'll generate a image. So I don't have an image, so I can generate the image using their image generation model like Nano Banana Pro. Click on start frame. So that will be the image, and after selecting that image, right? So you can click like on the end frame. If you want to select the end frame, so you can add one more image, and here what prompt you want to add. So animate a start frame into moody cyber noise cinematic video in a slow dolly subtle. So you can add prompts based on your requirements. And here you can select the model. So this time I am going to select Google View, and you can see the Google View 3.1 fast. So I'm going to select that one. Then you can add multi-shot mode, you can add the quality, like, and you can add the ratio 6 into 9 or 9 into 6, and duration 8 second, and click on generate. So it will generate a video for you based on the frames that you have uploaded and the prompt, right? So based on your requirement you can generate more videos, and these small videos you can add it together and generate a long video, and you can use it wherever you want, like YouTube. So this is the final AI generated video. So let's see this. You can see that the final AI generated video, right, based on your prompt and the image, right? So as you can see, the camera movement, lighting, motion, all are generated automatically by Higgsfield. I didn't manually animate anything. This entire clip was generated using AI based on a single image and a prompt. Useful for YouTube creators, short form content for reels and shorts, filmmakers experimenting with AI visuals, creators who want to create cinematic video without complex editing. So they have a feature to edit the video also, where you can upload a video and upload an image that you want to the add to the your video, and write the prompt and select the model, orientation, and the quality. If you want to try Higgsfield yourself, I'll provide you a promo code in the video description that give you access to the platform, so you can experiment with this AI videos tool on your own. So they have the offer, so you can choose the offer also, right, if you are going for the video creation. And overall, Higgsfield makes AI video generation simple, accessible, and especially who want to create cinematic results without spending hours of editing, right? So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.